Good morning, students. Today we can see the sixth paragraph, sixth stanza of the poem Confessions of a Born Spectator. Athletes, I will drink to you or eat with you or anything except compete with you. Buy tickets worth their radium to watch you gamble in the stadium and reassure myself anew that you are not me and I am not you. Before that, we can see the meanings of the words. Drink to you. It means drink to wish good luck or to celebrate success. Gamble means run or jump happily. Anew means again or once again. Athletes, I will drink to you or eat with you or anything except compete with you. Here the poet says that he is ready to drink with the athletes or eat with them. Here I refers to the poet and the poet Ogden Nash. You refers to the athletes or the players. The poet is ready to drink with the athletes to wish good luck for their match or their event or to celebrate their success. After their success, they are enjoying their victory. So, there may be some celebrations. It may be drinks or food or anything. So, he is ready to join with them in their party. And he says that he can do anything with them except one thing, that is, he does not want to compete with them. He is not ready to participate with them and he is not ready to play against them. So he says that I will drink to you or eat with you or anything except compete with you. Buy tickets worth their radium to watch you gamble in the stadium. The poet is ready to buy tickets worth their radium. According to the worth of the players, he can spend much money to buy tickets for the sports. Here the poet is ready to spend as much as money to buy tickets according to your worth. Here the poet point out the metal radium. Do you know radium? It's a metal and it is one of the costliest metals. It is used to cure cancer and its worth is 3 milligram radium is obtained from 3 tons of uranium ore. So just imagine how much cost it will be. So here the radium is compared to the valuable players or successful players. Likewise, the poet says, millions of players are in the game or in the event, but only few shines like heroes. Why does he spend so much of money to buy tickets? He says that he buys tickets in order to watch the heroes gamble in the stadium. That is, they are jumping happily in the stadium. His favorite players jumping and running happily in the ground. In order to watch them, he spent too much money to buy tickets. And reassure myself anew that you are not me and I am not you. Here the poet once again he himself assure that he is not an athlete and They are not the spectator. Thus, the poet clearly says he is very happy in being a spectator. He says the players should consider the feelings of the other players while they are playing. So, the poet once again says that he is fond of only to be a spectator, not of being a gamer or participant. Now, the poetic lines rhyming word here. First line, the repetition only here, you and you, and the third one also you. So the a, and the fourth line is radium and stadium, that is BB, and NU and U. So the rhyming words are radium and stadium. So the poet regrets of being a spectator and not the participants. Okay, students, I have finished this poem and we can see the conclusions and summary of the poem in the next class. Thank you.